5. Eliana, look at your answer. You're missing one part. I think we don't. I think everybody got that. N plus 9. 9. And all of you that got that can put on your resumes that you are binomial factoring experts. By the time you guys get done with Algebra 2, just think of all the different titles you'll be able to put on your resume. We're almost done. You guys are doing. Start with number 6. We did one example like this. Go ahead and give me A, B, C, or D. How would you factor this trinomial? I have a minus minus, so it can't be A. So it's got to be either B or C.